The MALYAN M200 Mini 3D printer comes fully assembled, making it an excellent choice for both kids and beginners looking to dive into 3D printing without any hassle. Included with the printer is a sample of PLA filament and a MicroSD card preloaded with printable 3D models, providing users with everything they need to start printing immediately. This compact printer supports a variety of 1.75mm filaments, allowing for versatility in both materials and colors for your projects. With a printing size of 120 by 120 by 120 millimeters, it is ideal for small to medium-sized objects, and it offers compatibility with both Windows and Mac systems. Its compact desktop design ensures that it fits conveniently on any workspace, while the open frame provides easy monitoring of the printing process. The all-metal hotend and heated build plate of the MALYAN M200 ensures stability and high-quality prints, reducing the risk of warping and improving adhesion.